Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. In this video, we will discuss how to transfer Cash App money to Apple Pay without card. Is there any direct option available for this? If not, what alternatives can we use to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay without a card? Let's dive in and explore this in detail. You may already know there is no direct method to transfer funds from Cash App to Apple Pay. To move your Cash App balance to Apple Pay, you typically need to connect your Cash App card to Apple Pay. However, in this video, we will introduce some alternative methods that can indirectly transfer your Cash App balance to Apple Pay without needing a Cash App card. For this, we'll walk you through a website that provides a detailed step-by-step process. Now let's visit the website. On this site, you can find many articles related to the Cash App. There is one article titled Transfer Money from Cash App to Apple Pay without card. As we scroll through this article, we find various methods for transferring funds from Cash App to Apple Pay. These include using your Cash App balance, linking a bank account, and other indirect methods. This article also covers several related questions like, can you send money from Cash App to Apple Pay without a card? Where it clearly states yes, absolutely. Scrolling further, we find the subheading, how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay without a card. Under this section, several methods are detailed that allow you to transfer funds without any issues. Let's discuss these methods in detail. There are many ways to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay without a card or Cash App card, through which you will be able to transfer the amount very easily. But different methods will suit different people. That is why we are telling you 3 such methods below, following which you will be able to easily transfer the amount from your Cash App to Apple Pay without a card. First method, transferring to bank account. Then Apple Pay, transfer to bank account. Begin by opening your Cash App and navigating to the Balance tab. Here, you'll find the option to cash out. Tap on this option and select the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer. It usually takes 1-3 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account, depending on your bank's processing time. Connect bank account to Apple Pay. Once the funds have settled in your bank account, open the wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new card. Follow the instructions to add your bank-issued debit card to Apple Pay. If your bank is supported, you may be able to directly link your bank account to Apple Pay. Transfer funds in Apple Pay. After successfully adding your bank card to Apple Pay, open the wallet app and navigate to your Apple Pay cash card. Tap on Add Money and enter the amount you'd like to transfer from your bank account to Apple Pay. Select your linked bank account as the source of funds and confirm the transfer. The transferred amount will now be available on your Apple Pay cash card. Second method, transferring via a third-party transfer to bank account. Follow the same steps as mentioned above to transfer your Cash App balance to your linked bank account. Use a third-party service. Look for third-party services or apps that facilitate transfers between bank accounts and Apple Pay. These services act as intermediaries, allowing you to transfer funds from your bank account to another person's Apple Pay account. Receive funds on Apple Pay. Once you've identified a suitable third-party service, initiate a transfer from your bank account to the service's designated bank account. Ensure that you follow their instructions carefully and provide all necessary details, including the recipient's Apple Pay account information. Confirmation and transfer. After the third-party service receives the funds in their bank account, they will confirm the transaction and initiate a transfer to your Apple Pay account. You may need to provide them with your Apple Pay account details or verify your identity to receive the funds. Verification and receipt. Once the transfer is completed, you'll receive a notification from Apple Pay confirming the receipt of funds. The transferred amount will now be available in your Apple Pay wallet, ready to be used for purchases, transfers, or other transactions. Third method, linking Cash App to Apple Pay. Directly linking Cash App to Apple Pay. Install both Cash App and Apple Pay on your device. Open Cash App and go to Settings. Select Add a bank or card and link your Cash App to Apple Pay. Transferring funds. Verify your identity if prompted. Ensure sufficient funds in your Cash App. Open Apple Pay settings. Choose Cash App as the source and follow the prompts to add funds. Once confirmed, your Cash App balance will be available on Apple Pay for use. You can use any of the above methods to transfer your Cash App balance to Apple Pay without a card. Pick the one that fits your situation the best. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.